Hello, hello, hello. Good morning sa inyong lahat. This is Ronnie Cayosa once again. Today is May 3, 2021. Oh, ito na yung ating ano, month of May. Okay, so welcome to my page. This is TRM or Trading and Risk Management. Simultaneous broadcast sa aking YouTube channel and Twitter account. It's update of our stock market using COL Financial and BDO Securities for our trading platform, and also uh, INVESTAGRAM for our charting and or technical analysis, and PSE Edge portal for our fundamental. Alright, so kamusta na kayong lahat? Actually, na-miss ko yung Friday, no? Ano ba yung Friday? 29. But then ngayon hindi ko ma-miss to. This is the first broadcast on my page dito sa update, no, sa aking page TRM. Ano ba? March, ano ba yung last ko? Ito yung last ko ata no? April 29, tama. April 29. So May 1, actually wala naman tayong market noon. May 1 and 2. Tama. So sakto lang pala itong month of May. Kasi Saturday and Sunday, May 1 and 2 no? And right now, yan natin yung sentiment ng ating market. Okay. Yun yung ating pag-aaralan ngayon or i-update, no? And also, meron din tayong isang video after this, no? Yung ginagawa natin for review, no? Maganda yung kanyang topic, no, regarding sa mining and oil, okay, sector, no? So mamaya i-discuss natin yan. So okay, let's move on, no? Tingnan natin yung aking tingnan ko lang dito sa aking gadget, no? Kung okay naman yung aking sounds. Okay, sa mga manonood dyan, you can comment, like, share. Huwag na kayo magbabash. So, ito na yung para sa mga bago, no? Hindi ito sa mga marurunong mga kanina. But if you want to share something, it's open para at least matutunan ng mga bago how to trade or to invest in our market, no, in the right way. That's my purpose actually doing this. Siyempre, tayo rin naging bago, nagsimula din sa umpisa. And meron tayong mga FOMO, no, kasi 27 years ago, tagalan. FOMO ko na itong pagtitrade eh. No, kaya lang since hindi ko alam at wala naman akong kilala na magtuturo sa akin, hindi ko siya ginawa. Alright. But right now, with right time, no, timing lang, no, malaki na rin yung mga anak ko. I have 6 kids and 7 grandchildren. Okay. Na ngayon ay doon kami nagpo-focus ng aking wife, no, sa aming mga apo. Na gusto namin at the age nila, no, yung teenage sila is ando doon kami to guide them or to share with them, no, yung kami ng kanilang mga lolo't lola. Lolo't lola, no? Lolo D and Lola Me. Okay, syempre pagka nag-share ka, kailan may pera ka. Hindi ba pwedeng nag-share ka lang ng love? Mahirap yun, puro love. Okay, hindi ibig sabihin na mukha tayong pera. But the thing is, we need money to share love. Okay, mas maganda yun eh. Anyway, that's why I'm doing like this investment para at least yung money na iipon namin dito, right, is magamit namin for our retirement. Okay. Well, 53 right now. I'm 53 and my wife is 54. So we have plenty of time. Another 5 years or 7 years. Actually, sabi nga yung 7-year cycle na yun ay nagbibigay sa'yo ng another life. Diba? Once na dumating sa'yo yung sinasabi natin mga challenges within the 7-year time, ay yung susunod na sa 7 years ay naman yung mga progress. Kung yan, may gagawin ka. Kasi kung wala kang gagawin, na-depress ka lang because of the 7 years happened to your life, malamang another 7 years, ganun pa rin mangyayari sa'yo. Okay? And kasi kami gano'n, nakita na namin yung cycle na yan, no? And every 7 years, no, life will change or may mga opportunity na darating. Kung hindi ka ready, malamang hindi mo makukuha yan, hindi mo magagawa yan. Alright, so right now, it's another opportunity, no, I'm giving to you. Investing, learn to invest or trade in our market, our Philippine stock market. Okay. So bakit ko ini-endorse to or sinasabi na you learn first, no? Kasi maraming tao na nagpa-participate agad sa ganitong investment na walang alam. Hindi nila alam, na-hype lang o nasabihan lang. And eventually, nagsimula na sila mag-trade or mag-invest, nalugi sila o nawala yung kanilang capital. Actually, totally hindi naman mauubos yung capital mo kung alam mo lang gawin. Kung hindi ka agad-agad magbebenta or hindi ka agad-agad mag-aalis ng money mo, okay, ng investment mo. Yung tinatawag natin long term. Kung alam lang gawin. But then, ayun nga, dahil hindi alam gawin, yung iba, na emotional trade ang nangyayari, they pull out their money and then eventually, doon ka na talaga na malulugi. Okay? So, right now, itong binibigay ko o sinishare ko sa inyo, it's an educational for you, live, especially using a platform. Okay. Yung iba kasi, they're teaching or giving or sharing their ideas but on, alam mo na, hindi sa nag-ano, no? Kasi mas mahirap ang live eh. Kasi dito hindi ka na makapag-edit. Okay. Yung iba naman na-edit nila, that's good. Okay lang naman yon. At least they're giving you the right information. Okay. I'm not saying I'm not giving the right information. Actually, this is the right information nga kasi pwedeng sabihin ko na this I know yung mga kinukuha ko information coming from the right venue, okay? So, siyempre I'm using also my sariling platform. Now, if you have your own platform, no, the first thing that you have to do is you familiarize yung platform mo, no? How to use your trading platform kahit ano pa yan, kahit ano pang gamit mo. Kasi yung iba nga, as I said, nag-join lang pero don't know how to use our platform. Even 2 or 3 years na sila nagte-trade. All they know is just the buy and sell or that tinatawag nating trade tab. Dito kailangan alam mo lahat. Alright? So, let's move on. So, pakita natin, share natin yung ating platform right now. There is a COL or confidential platform or broker, no? And right now, our sentiment is green or gain. No? So makita mo naman dito, yan. It's all green. So pag green yan, ibig sabihin nag-gain tayo, no? Using our PSE index, no? Ito yung ating benchmark right now, no? Once na nag-green yan, normally yung ating market is doing good, no? Okay, so ito naman yung mga sector. Yan. These are all stocks, the listed in PSE or Philippine Stock Exchange. Okay, financial, industrial, holding, property, services, and mining and oil. Dito tayo actually mag-focus mamaya, later on sa end of our broadcast about mining and oil. So, meron tayong magiging video, na ating panonoorin and i-review. Okay, right now it's 10:22, almost 22 minutes or almost 30 minutes. Nag-open yung ating market because market open at actually 9:30. 1 hour na pala mag-open yung market natin. Market open at 9:30 but it is pre-open at 9 p.m. Ay, 9 p.m. na AM pa yan. Nagulat kasi ako, meron ako nakitang message. Okay. So for those who are watching right now sa abroad, different time zone tayo. So make sure lang na pagka nagte-trade kayo, look for the right time. Kasi yung iba nagtatanong, ano ba talagang tamang time dito? So first, check mo muna kung anong ilang oras. Like for example, I have coaching in UAE. Sa UAE kasi 4 hours difference, 'di ba? So meaning kung na 9 o'clock or 9:30 open dito, so less 4 hours. So nag-start sa inyo 5, 6, 7, 8, na yan. 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. opening ng market dyan. through online sa inyong lugar sa UAE. And for US, sabihin na lang natin, no, right now ang time ng US is 6 p.m. o 6:30. Okay? So, iba-iba rin time zone sa US, right? Meron kasi sa California, di ba? Iba-ibang states, may 1 hour, 2 hours na difference din. But anyway, sa US, gabi naman sa kanila. Okay, magagabi na pala, 6. So, nag-start ang ano sa kanila, around 5 p.m., right? Okay, so 5 p.m. ng hapon nag-start ang trading, no, ng Philippine market sa kanila. Minsan nalilito rin sila doon eh. What time ba talaga nagsisimula? Dito 9:30 open yung market, 9 a.m. pre-open. So you can participate actually at 9 a.m. You can put your position, you can buy, you can sell if you have a position na pero hindi mo siya maka-cancel, no? That's the rule. You can put your position but you cannot cancel until na nag-open yung market at 9:30. Pag nag-open ang market ng 9:30, yon, pwede ka na mag-cancel, pwede ka na actually you can participate in any stocks na gusto mong bilihin. All right? So right now 10:25, okay? So open na rin natin yung ating ticker para medyo magmukha tayong nasa, diba, real stock market. Okay, ticker is, yan, prices of a stock market na nag-participate or na binili, no? And then sa baba naman, nandito yung mga broker na bumili at nagbenta. Yan, and dyan sinasabi yung kanyang, ano na yan, nasa PSE, Philippine Stocks Exchange na yan. So makita natin yan. Alright, so right now, active stocks natin, we have JFC. Wow. Makakita naman ng JFC or Jollibee. Mamahawak ng Jollibee. DDMPR. So, 2.1 ang DDMPR. Pero, ano pa rin siya? Yung kanyang IPO kasi is 2.25. So, ibang mga nakabili ng 2.25, yan, bumaba yung inyong price. Ali, Asen, Meg, Nickel, PHID2, MBT, NPNB. Oh, good thing active right now ngayon. Puro mga nasa PSEI index, di ba? O, yung mga blue chip natin. And top gainers natin, we have Ever, PERC, OPMB, IPO, GO, CAB, ECP, WIN, THA, Euro. Okay. Pero sa mga gainers natin, more on second and third liner pa rin ang mga nag-gain. And for our losers right now, we have OPM, OV80, BCB, OPPO, COIL, PMPC, LRW, LSC, and ACR. So kung mapapansin yun, hindi masyadong kilalang company. Okay. But then, okay lang yun. At least you can see na yung ibang mga company natin like mga nasa blue chip company natin is moving right now or they're participating right now on the market. No? Yan. So that's our top active gainers and losers for today. And let us see naman sa ating PSEI. No? So out of 30, we have 23 gaining company. Alright. So by AC, MBT, and Ali. So bakit ang tanong ng iba, bakit ito wala doon sa tinatawag nating top gainer and losers? Normally kasi binibase yan, top gainers and losers, this is a percentage change. Okay, so kung mataas ang percentage change nila, kasi since maliit din naman ang kanilang price, sila yung nandun sa top 10 natin na gainers. Ganon din sa losers. No? Yung mga percentage loss naman nila. Alright? Kung mapapansin dito naman sa PSE, kahit na malaki yung kanyang change, for example, ito, ang total change ng AC is 9.50 which is 9 pesos and 50 centavos, pero ang total niya naman is only 7.49. Okay? So, yun, binibase yun dito kung gaano kalaki yung percentage change niya. Kaya, hindi dahil sa malaki yung change niya. Okay? Yung sukli, kumbaga, from previous to last price niya. Okay? So, nagtatanong iba bakit ganon. Anyway, so ang top 3 natin ay AC, MBT, Ali, no, for our PSEI index. And for our overall naman, ayan, dito mo makita yung kanina. Yung top 3, no? Ever, PERC, and OPMB because of their percentage change. Okay. Overall stocks yan, all share stocks index. Diba? So, parang Ever, PERC, and OPMB is top gainers. Ever, PRC, and OPMB, top gainers, top 3. Okay? Lagyan ko ng ano. Alright, so in financial sector naman, we have out of 9, 4. Okay, so makita nyo naman yung mga top 3 natin. MBT or Metrobank, BDO, and China Bank. That's our top 3 companies or banks, no, in our financial sector. In our industrial sector, out of 28, no, we have JFC, DNL, and AP. Top 3 natin. JFC is Jollibee, DNL is check natin, DNL Industry, alright, and saan ba? EP, yan, Abuitis Power. Yan. So that's our top 3 for today sa ating industrial. And for our holding, out of 15, we have 10. 10 right now ang ating top mga gainers, sa ating holding sector. With AC, JGC, and AEB on the top 3 level. AC is Ayala Corp, right? So that's Ayala Corp with a 13 pesos change. So makita mo, laki ng change yan. Okay, and JG Summit, the second place with 0.40 cents na change, and the other one is AEB or Abuitis. Abuitis Venture with 0.45 cents gain. All right, let's move on our property sector naman. Ang property sector natin, we have out of 13, we have 6 gain for today, and led by Ali or Ayala Land. Okay, Ayala Land Corporation 0.25 cents. Okay, and then second, SMPH or SM Prime at 0.10 cents. Okay, and last is property Meg, Mega World. So at 0.02 cents. All right. Just to give you an idea about Mega World Corporation, this is owned by Andrew Tan, of owner of Emperador and franchise of McDonald's here in the Philippines. And right now they're very, very aggressive, aggressive in selling property, especially condotel. Condotel here in the Philippines. Marami silang project right now, and marami ding actually na pwedeng mag-purchase, lalo sa abroad, yung mga OFW natin ay migrant na nagwo-work, okay, or nakatira sa ibang bansa. Pwede kayong mag-participate, even foreigner, pwede kayong mag-invest sa Mega World by using by applying on mga agent or property management in international. Okay, so if you're interested about this, you can call me or you can PM me regarding how to invest in Mega World property. Imagine mo, top 3 na siya ngayon, di ba? And prominent owner yan is Andrew Tan, of McDonald's, branch of McDonald's in the Philippines, and Emperador. Alam niyo po ba ang Emperador ngayon? Sila ang may pinakamalaking plantation sa Spain. Isa sa mga malaking aside from plantation, yung pinaka nagkaroon sila ng ano doon no, ng property, no, by buying yung pinakamalaking paggawaan ng ano din doon, ng alak. I forgot lang the name, no, kasi hindi ka nang pwede agad-agad na makabili doon kundi hindi ka nagbumili, no, ng malaking kumpanya doon kasi Spain yan no? And then the owner is from the Philippines, diba? Understand? Imagine mo nagkaroon siya ng, kasi sa Spain maganda doon magtanim, no, ng mga grapes, no, para pampagawa ng mga alak. Ayun yung mga lugar na talagang, di ba? Talagang masarap yung alak, kumbaga. Even sa China, diyan kumukuha sa Spain. Oo, kaya napakalaki ng naging yung proyekto nila na tawag ito, yung train, di ba? From Spain to China, meron ng ano ba tawag na train na yun, lahat dinaanan ng train na yun from China So, for the purpose of trading. So, yun, kaya sila nakakakuha ng mas murang halaga, no, ng mga inumin. Kasi napanood ko yun yung video na yun regarding that, from China, from Spain to China and vice versa. Kaya ang laki nung natipid na time and then price nung mga alak na coming from Spain. And ayun nga, tayo nag-participate din tayo diyan using Emperador, di ba? Brand. So, kung mapapansin niyo yung mga Emperador brand din natin is international na yan. No, yung kanyang brand na yan because galing nga dun sa pagawaan sa Spain. Alright? So, ayan, another information. So, aside from that, ayun nga, yung nalayo, Mega World is a property na naman na nagde-develop sila ng mga condominium, mga house and lot, okay, mga kahit na maliliit na house and lot dito sa Bulacan, meron din silang ino-offer, no? At the price of around 3,000 pesos, no, na monthly amortization, you can own property, no, na gawa ng Mega World. All right. So, but the best thing is yung kanilang Condotel. Yan. So, yung mga interested malaman about Condotel, you can PM me or ask me about this. Lalo kung nasa abroad kayo, no, napakinggan nyo to. You can participate or you can buy Condotel even you're staying in other country. Okay, may mga may mga proseso naman yan, no, na madali lang naman din gawin. Our property country manager from other country will help you. Okay, and I'm also a property management, no, or international consultant, yeah. I mean, you actually bago lang, no, and I found out kasi na maganda yung kanilang mga projects, kaya I'm endorsing it also, not only here in my video, no, in my live video in trading, kasi investment pa rin yan. Everything that I'll be discussing is about investment. Okay, kung ayaw nyo mag-invest sa trading, sa ating stock market, you can invest in another, diba, avenue or other investment na pwede kayong mag-participate. Okay? Anyway, done with that. Okay, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa services. And last thing, no, since last year, talagang na-hit yung ating property sector. Ito na yung time na magre-recover yan. And then this is the right time to invest in our property. Okay. Services, we have out of 24, 9 of it are gaining. And start by Bloom, Pure Gold, and Globe Telecom. Bloom is Bloomberry Resort Corporation. It's more on mga resort. Diba? And right now, 0.13 cents ang kanyang gain. Okay, and then followed by Pure Gold. Yan. Siyempre, actually, ang Pure Gold, packet ng kanyang price din kasi more on, alam mo, binibenta ng Pure Gold, di ba? Yung mga kailangan natin, no? Needs natin and everything. Pati yung mga yung mga binebenta mami na pangangailangan natin, tawag doon. Hello mami. Ang aking assistant nawala. Okay. Yung mga mami na tawag doon, yung mga pangangailangan natin everyday. Yes, necessities and then ano ba tawag, ano ba? Essential. Yan. Minsan nakakalimutan ko yan. Basic necessities and essentials. Essentials normally you can buy at pure gold. Yan Inano na kita, pure gold. Pinopromote natin. Saka maganda rin yung price niya. If you can see na right now kung ano yung price ng pure gold, kung saan siya papunta. Check the chart, Singin ko lang siya ulit nakita, But the thing is, siya, consistent PG. Parang patay ko ito. Pure gold. Okay? Diba? Pinakalagay sa tingnan natin nakalimutan ko na agad yung niya. Tama na, P gold. P pala nalagay na. P gold. Yan, so may A kasi. Alright, so mapapansin yung kanyang movement, Although nag-down siya. Ano to? Ayan. From January, just doing a sideways, and nag-down siya this March. Okay? From 33 to umakyat naman siya ulit at 41. But then bumaba na naman siya, Talagang sideways lang ang ginagawa ng pure gold. 41 to 36 and right now, yan yung kanyang price at 37.7. At least hindi siya maalis sa range of 30 pesos. That's the range or yung titang nating average ng pure gold. So, yan, makikita naman natin yan. Alright, so, bakit ko tinignan ng pure gold? Wala lang. Okay, another. Okay, Globe Telecom. Yan. Globe Telecom right now changes 11 pesos. Ayan kasi ayan yung mga natin nasa watch list. Kaya natin tinitignan. At the same time, at least you have an idea kung ano yung mga magagandang company or potential company that you can buy or participate in buying their shares. Alright, right now ang ang Globe Telecom is 1,843 pesos per share. Okay? And it's down actually yung market niya, yung trend niya. But kung makita niyo rito, Globe Telecom open at 1,839 and then right now is 1,843. So may gain siya ng 10 points or sabi nga kanina, it's around 10 pesos ang kanyang change. Okay, so actually, makita mo, marami din nagpa-participate sa Globe Telecom. So if you are holding Globe Telecom right now, and then you buy at the price of 180, 89, or 1,820. Okay, from 1,820 and then up by 1,913. So that's the difference of Globe Telecom price. Okay? So 19, sabi natin 1,915. That's ayun yung price niya rito. And then 1,818, 1,915 less 1,818. So ang difference niya is around 100 pesos or 97 pesos to be exact. So that's a big price. Big gain, if you have Globe Telecom shares, But the thing is, ito kanyang movement from here naman ng February to 2,063 and at April 189. So if you buy at this level, no? Sabihin natin 2,053, and then eventually sell your position or your shares at the price of 1,815. Okay. You lost 238 pesos. Okay? So, yun yung mga difference, no? If you don't know how uh, to invest or trade in Philippine stock market. No? Kaya langan dito, consistent lang naman yung gagawin nyo. No? If you plan of putting your investment in a long term, huwag mo lang galawin kasi definitely it will go back to the right price, or it will actually correct the price in the market. Kaya tama yung mga malalaking galawan yan katulad niyan. No, 'di ba? From 1,704 up to 2,009 2,294, 2,294, less mo sa 1,000. So ito na lang pag basin natin, 1,701 less 1,701. So that's a 593 or almost 600 peso gain within the span of ilang months lang yan. March to May. Oh, 'di ba? Laki ng gain niya kung sakali, no? That's 600 peso gain for the 2 months trading. But then hindi mo siya na inaral from 2,000, okay, bumaba rin siya up to 1,843. So almost magkano naman 'yan? Sabi natin na from 2,288 to 288, 2,288 to 189. Sabi na 1,826, 1,826. 462 pesos naman ang down ng iyong portfolio o yung iyong investment. So yun, no? 'Di ba makita nyo, up and down lang naman yung market, yung prices niya, no? Nagko-correct and then babalik. Okay? So kung makita mo naman yung kanyang history, no? Ang pinakamataas na price ng Globe Telecom from 10 years, okay? Umabot siya ng until 2,720. Right? 2,723. And that was January of 2015. Okay? So, yan yung kanyang price na inabot or pinaka-resistance niya, sabihin natin. The highest price, no, of Globe Telecom. Up to 1986, 85 nung nagsimula siya. And open ang Globe Telecom. Let us see kung ano yung pinaka-price ng Globe Telecom using our Kuya Google. Globe IPO price. Everything is, dito naman eh. Andito naman sa internet. Okay. So, kung makikita mo rito, Globe Telecom USD price is 13.02. Okay. Tingnan natin. Pinaka-total IPO price. Okay, right now Globe Telecom is 1,833 dito nakalagay, di ba? Okay, but then 2021, that was the date of 2021. Tingnan natin yung pinaka 1985. Tagal na, no? 1986. 1986. Okay. Kahanap yan. Ang haba. 2020 pa tayo. So, titingnan natin, no, yung price niya. Okay, haba. 2012. May kadugtong pa eh. 2012. Hindi. Lagyan na lang natin ng ending period ng 1986 para hindi masyadong mahaba. End date, mga 1997. Yan. Yung pala yung significant date sa akin yan eh. 1997. Okay, apply. Bakit? Ayun yan ang bago. Balik na lang tayo sa Ito yung 1997 price niya. 1997 from 2000. Pareho pala. Sorry. From 2000, 2021. Today, ano yan? Today's price. Okay. So just imagine the difference of other sa US stock natin. Apple is $131.46. Titignan ito parang laki, no? 1,833 pesos. Pero kung kukumputin mo yan, that's 1,833 pesos. Times mo yung, divide mo by 50 na lang sabi natin. That's only $36. Di ba? $36 per share. Pero if you see Apple, $131 per share. That is times 50 rin, 6,555. Comparing the price from international market, diba? Napakalaki ng difference niya. Okay, tingnan natin yung 1997 kasi medyo curious ako. Okay? So, ito yung price niya nung year. Hindi talaga inabot. 1990, 2012 lang. Ayaw niya abutin. Anyway, tingnan natin yung sa kanyang dollar. $13 times sa during the time 50. So 650 na to eh, no? Yung pinaka price niya. Anyway, lagyan natin na globe IPO. Yan. Globe IPO. Yung price kanina eh. Peso lang. Peso price. Ano ba? Time check, 10:50. Oras na galit eh. So, stock price. Yung mo ko ng magandang data. Hindi naglagay eh. Same price yung ngayon nilagay niya. Anyway, kung dito natin titignan, balik tayo rito. This was the year, no? 1986. 1986, so tama naman, 300, no? Mga 330 pesos, no? Ang kanya naging price. And then after 86, 87, 8, 9, 19, 92, 93. Okay. 1993, ang price is 1,255 na agad. So, ganun kabilis yung akyat niya, no? From 300 pesos to 1,200. Pero yung bagsak niya na yung tindi. 1997, no, nagkaroon ng crash. In every 7 to 8 years, sabi ko nga, this was the time na in-offer sa akin to. That's around price of 90 pesos pa nga eh. So kung 100 pesos, that's lower price talaga. Actually, umabot pa siya ng 50? Totoo ba itong umabot 50? Tingnan natin yung pinakamababang price niya. Kasi kung hindi natin i-base, closing price is 151. Okay, anyways, meaning talagang bumagsak siya ng husto and then umakyat siya na up to 2735 price and then right now is nasa, ito yung price niya, current price niya at 1775. Okay, so yun lang naman ang ano niya, no, galaw niya, umaakit baba after the price correction, aakit na naman siya, no. After this one nung 1998, 97, no, dire-diretso na yung pag-akyat niya until hit yung 2008. Okay. 2008, ano ba, yung, di ba meron na namang bubble ng 2008, 2009. And then doon siya bumagsak from the price of 1673 no 2008, same year, December, bumaba siya ng 740. So ito yung pinaka lowest price as of the moment, yung 780, kasi during this time hindi na siya bumaba ng ganitong price, yung pinaka support niya, support level. Umakyat na siya after that no 2010, 2008, 2010 until 2015, no. 5 years after, no, nag-double na yung price niya, di ba? 718 to 260 or 270. 2,700, no? 2,700, no? 5 years after yan, 2,700 from 700. Less 700, that's 2,000, right? So that's the profit that you can earn from the time na umakyat siya ulit ng 2010. 2010, okay, to 2015. 5 years after. So dapat dito, nagka-cash out ka na rito kasi kukumita ka ng 2,000 pesos. Imaginin mo yung 2,000 pesos na yan. Kung meron kang, kukumpitin ko lang. Okay. 100,000 during that time and then you buy it at the price of 100. So meron kang 1,000. So meaning yung 1,000 mo na shares na nabili times 2,000 pesos. So during that time 2 million na pala yung presyo niya. Yung kanyang profit, no? Laki, no? So ayun yung nakita ko na wala sa akin. No, pag hindi mo pinag-aralan to at na it took you how many years no na i-decide yung mangyayari sa'yo. Anyway, that was Globe Telecom. No, nag-stay sa the Globe Telecom. And yes, especially yung ating topic for today, no, nickel, mining and oil. No, out of 9 we have 6 led by nickel, LC and SCC. No, nickel is Nickel Asia Corporation. Okay, and then we have LC or Lepanto Consolidated Mining, no, and SCC Semirara. Ayan, ang laki ng binagsak talaga ng Semirara. Tama, pakita natin Semirara. Although matagal na ang company na ito. No, Semirara is SCC pala, SCC. Ito maraming nalulugmok no. Dito sa kumpanya na to kasi laki talaga ng binagsak niya. So if you're year to date na lang natin. And year to date na meaning ito yung pinaka price this year, no, in a daily chart, no. So laki, 'di ba? Anong price niya ngayon? 12 pesos, beginning from as high as 40 pesos or 49 pesos. Ng 50 pesos, to be exact. So from 50 pesos less 12.48. Sino ba naman diyan? Yeah, that is 37.52. Okay, loss, no? Or it's around, sabihin mo natin dito sa 40 pesos, around 80% of your portfolio is down, no, during this time. Kung ikaw ay bumili in the time of September 17 or the year 2017. Okay? So, huli ka ako, sabi ni Carla. Malapit ako matapos. Hindi. Medyo, ano pa, late na nga rin ako, Carla eh. But then, I'm just giving them content, no, for those who are watching right now. It is a live update on stock market. So yan, makita nyo. Time check, 10:59, mag-11 na. No. So, in the US right now, Carla, what the time? 7 p.m. right now. Tama? So, wala kay pasok ngayon, no? Sunday. Anyway, ngayon, usap tayo after this. Okay, so, Semirara, no? I'm just highlighting Semirara kasi ang laki. Alright, 8 p.m. No? So, bali tapos na yung ano nyo, no? Daily, ano ba ito? Yung time, ano nyo? Okay, yung advance. Anyway, etong Semirara kasi, no, is a big, ano na, tagal tong company na to actually. No, I think they're giving also dividend, no? Those mga may merong hawak na ito, no? So, if you will see, Semirara Mining Corporation is a big company din, no? This one owned by Kunsuji. Diba? Kunsuji is ano ba yun? Kanilang company rito. Construction company din Kunsuji. Right? So, they're giving also, kung titingnan natin, dividends, 1.25 peso, ano, dividend. Okay. Just got home, got asked to cover for some people is on vacation. All right. So, even Sunday, no? Sunday na ngayon dyan, tama? Okay. Anyway, yan. They're giving dividends actually. But the thing is, yung price action niya or price appreciation niya, depreciation ang tawag doon. No? Okay. So, tapos na yung daylight saving time. So, back to real time na kayo. Tama. Sunday, no? And right now, Monday here in Manila, in Philippines. Okay. So, ayun nga, no? Price depreciation dahil bumaba yung price nila. Now, so if you have Semirara, no, na sa portfolio mo, meaning bagsak ang price niyan kung nakuha mo siya at the highest price. Like for example, here, no, I know people na they buy at this price during that time kasi umakyat nga ng umakyat, no, from 27 pesos tas naging 49 pesos and then buy at this level, okay, and then biglang bumagsak na ngayon at the price of 12.47, which is I think, no, very very low price. Kasi hindi nga inaaral, no, kasi makikita natin naman dito ang kanyang PE ratio if you can. Okay. See na ang kanyang PE ratio, no, is only 11.92, meaning ano dun siya ngayon sa PE ratio range niya. Okay. So kung kukumpute mo naman yan, no, ang magiging fair value niya, okay, it's 11.92. Sabihin natin mga times mo sa 10. Malaki pa nga ang potential niya, no? Potential niya na umakyat. But then, okay, hindi natin alam, so no one knows the price, no? What market will do kung kailan aakyat yung presyo niya. Okay? But the thing is, okay, you will see the fair value of Emerald SCC at the price of, fair value niya is 47 pesos. Diba? That's the potential, no, na umakyat yung price niya. But we don't know. Bumaba siya within 2 years. No? So, makita niyo yung kanyang range. No? Umakyat siya Umakyat siya within 2016, 2017, no, so only 1 year, umakyat siya niyan. And then bumaba siya from 2017, and right now, nung pandemic, so that is 3 years time, bumaba siya ng until 940 or 934 during pandemic or last year, March yan. And the recover, and then right now at the at the P ratio na 11 pesos, diba? That's the correction. Okay, every time na nagko-correct yan, it will go down to its P ratio. And then potential price niya is from 1 to 2 years or 3 years time, potentially na okay, bumalik siya sa fair value niya or the price of 40 pesos or 49 pesos. That's how market goes. Okay, so kung dito ka nakabili at this price right now and you just hold no yung iyong yung stocks or your shares, okay, the potential income naman niya, it will be around this level, 50 pesos. Okay, that's the price. Pero hindi natin alam kung kailan aakyat yan or how long it will recover. And right now, actually, market natin sa Pilipinas medyo mabagal, no? Kaya I convert some of my investment in cryptocurrency, which is hindi natin di-discuss dito ngayon yan. Marami ng opportunity right now, no, na kailangan lang alamin natin. Aside from kanina diniscuss ko na property, no, the mega world property na another opportunity, na you have to, na pwede ka mag-invest, no, for a condo hotel. Ito naman, no, kung sakali na hindi ka mag-participate sa stock market natin sa Pilipinas, you can participate in another trading, like for example, cryptocurrency trading. But then, kailangan pag-aralan mo pa rin, hindi mo kailangan na bigla ka lang papasok na hindi mo alam o wala kang idea regarding those investment na papasukin mo. Right? So, done na tayo, no? We're all update na everything. No? So, right now, it's 0.42% up yung market natin sa PSE, PCI, and then 26.97 points. No, that's our prices right now. Okay? So, siguro tomorrow natin itakal about mga latest research anyway. Wala pa naman masyado yan eh. Wala pa masyadong i-discuss regarding dyan. So, hindi na tayo masyado. And then, tomorrow na rin natin i-open yung ating BDO securities platform para at least to those who are using BDO security. Okay. So, what we're discussing right now is about April Lee Tan, no? From COL din to, no? Is one of the top executives sa COL, and right now she will be discussing about the about mining, no? Mining and oil na in-uplift na ata yung kanyang band, no, ng ating presidente. So, let's move on. Tingnan natin and then we go on sa review para at least maisa-isa natin yung kanilang dinidiscuss. Okay? So, let's play.
Several mining stocks have seen strong gains recently after Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte ended the ban on new mining projects. But even before Duterte decided to revive the industry, some mining stocks were still able to post strong performances. Groups like the Chamber of Mines of the Philippines viewed the lifting of the moratorium on new mineral agreements as an opportunity to boost economic growth. But will Duterte's move lead to a constant surge in mining stocks? We now have Manny Ocampo of the Investment and Capital Corporation of the Philippines. To put things into context, I'd just like to ask how mining stocks have performed in the past 9 years amid the restrictive policies on mining.
The big ones, Apex, Philex, Nickel Asia, FNI, no? Because they already have their operations, their respective tenements, so they perform okay. New companies, or shall we say, new tenements, which these firms were looking at during the previous administration, got cut off because the Aquino administration pretty much stopped any new exploration activities, shall we say. So whatever they had, that was it.
So in other words, they just became like proxies of the commodity prices.
Yes, yes.
Do you expect, say, these companies to perform much stronger in the near to medium term following the lifting of the moratorium?
Not the short term, medium term, maybe 2 years down the road, because just getting the BENR approvals. It's one of those things that the president issued EO 130, but the NR has to issue the IRRs. Then all of these companies have to go through the process of getting all of their programs and their permits approved, etc. Takes time. So in the next couple of years, they'll start exploration, and then the hope is still that commodity prices would still be where they are at current levels, and they should do well. Next 2 years.
All right. So, let's review yung kanilang pinag-usapan para at least paano natin. Paunti-unti natin. Dissect natin ba? Actually yung mining and oil or the mining sector or industry, nag-boom yan 2015-16, I think, something like that, yung time na yun, because doon ako nagkaroon ng idea sa husband ng friend ko or classmate ko during the time na nagkakwentuhan kami, they only doing stock market and they only trading in mining. Sabi ko, anong mining? Parang ganun, Kasi during the time, wala pa akong idea regarding about stock market at trading. So, nagka-idea ako doon, sabi niya ka sa akin, I want to, I want to, in time na yon, malaman ng gusto. And open naman yung husband niya kasi during the time na we talk regarding dun nga. Actually, during that time, we're talking about insurance, because I'm offering them insurance for the family. But then sabi nga niya, marami siyang sakit at I think hindi siya ma-approve about sa pag nag-apply sila ng insurance, and then they're not putting their money on insurances or banks or any other investment. They're only putting their money on mining. So doon ako nagkaroon ng interest. So actually nagkaroon pa nga kami ng parang schedule for me to learn about mining, investing or trading in market sa mining. But hindi nilang natuloy kasi parang during that time, yung anak ko kasi nag-start about stock market, Siya yung unang nag-trade, silang mag-asawa, yung pang-apat kong anak yon, babae. And actually 10 years ago, nung sinabi ko sa kanila, pag-aralan nyo yung stock market. That was siguro bata pa sila, as in siya during that time, siguro mga around 18 years old. So may anak na siya nag-asawa na rin siya. Mag-asawa na rin sila nung ano niya ngayon, asawa niya, kasi yung anak ko nagkaroon ng anak na 16 years old, bata pa, But then train ko naman siya, about business. Yung husband niya naman, talagang na-train na lang, Believe ako sa husband niya. Talagang pag umawak ng negosyo is talagang nagbo-boom. Nakita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya. Kasi during that time na nagnegosyo siya, talagang umakit yung finances nila, nakabili sila ng mga property, and they joined stock market in 2015. Nung sinasabi ko lang sa kanila, every time na nag-uusap kami niyan, 10 years ago, yun sila, bago pa lang sila, mag-ipon kayo ng pera, mag-invest kayo. Actually, lahat ng anak ko sinasabihan ko ng ganyan, mag-invest kayo sa stock market, learn about stock market. Yan lagi sinasabi ko sa nila. And I know na tumimo sa isip din nila yun. Pero isa ang nagtuloy, after 5 years, nagtuloy nun yung anak ko, na babae, and then she learned with her husband mag-trade stock market. And kumita sila nun. Grabe yung kita nila kasi during that time, it was the boom. After the correction, and then boom na yung market. And ayun. Until now, actually, meron silang portfolio na hindi nila ginagalaw kasi hindi pa masyadong, sabi nga ng husband niya, ng asawa niya, Daddy, hindi mo na ako mag-trade kasi may business sila ngayon. Online naman yung business nila ngayon. No, they're selling minoxidil, no? Ang grabe rin yung income potential nung talagang pag may hinawakan siyang negosyo, yung lalaki, yung asawa ng anak ko is talagang nagbo-boom. Doon ako believe talaga doon sa mga ganong bata. And they're only at their 20s right now. No, they have properties na talaga namang inalagaan din nila. And then they have 2 kids. But anyway, no, ako sinabi ko naman, I will learn more on about trading. Kaya nung natuto naman ako, sila naman ngayon nagtatanong sa akin. And eventually, that's why I'm doing this, no. Aside from sharing what I've learned, no, pati sa mga anak ko gusto ko matutunan. And some of them are just watching din ng ginagawa ko. Alam niyo mga ganun no. Tinitingnan ko anong ginagawa ng magulang nila if they were prosper, no. But yung mga anak ko kasi hindi naman sila yung mahilig lang manghihingi. No? They much on learning ang gusto nila. Doon sila. Actually, tatlo ng anak ko ngayon nagte-trade, no. Yung isa nga yung nauna yung babae, and then yung panganay, no, na anak ko into trading na rin. Actually, siya yung nagsabi din sa akin, "Daddy, why not put more on fundamental?" No. Sabi niya sa akin yun kasi nanonood siya ng mga video and more on fundamentally siya. So, doon ako naman nagka-idea na, nga, no, tignan ko nga yung fundamental. Dalawa naman yung fundamental and technical. So, right now, ayun na, binalance ko na siya. I'm doing fundamental and then I'm doing the technical analysis. Okay, siya yung nagsabi din sa akin. And then, may work siya ngayon and then nagputing yung money niya pa unti-unti sa stock market, which is good kasi bata pa naman. Then, yung bunso ko namang anak, ayun, meron siyang stocks, no, hinayaan lang namin, no, we buy D2 at a lower price. And right now, ang taas na ng price ng D2, di ba? And umakyat pa nga, bumaba na lang ng konti. Pero we keep on that. Kasi ayun yung parang FOMO ko nga, no? When I'm young at yung hindi naman age siya kasi 27 ako during that time na introduce sa akin yung stock market. Siya ngayon, 22 years old. So, ang laki ng difference, di ba? 5 years pa. So, yung sabi ko sa niya, i-hold mo lang yan, huwag mong gagalawin, and then mag-add ka na lang kung gusto mong magdagdag. No? Alright. So, ito is another opportunity dun sa mga gustong mag-invest, no? But just learn first, no? Mamaya may meron akong bibigyan option sa inyo after this. Kasi kahit sabihin natin maganda ang opportunity nito, hindi mo naman alam gawin, di ba? Like for example, umakyat to noong 2015. Okay, no? Yes. That was the highest price niya. Noong 2015 and 16, that was the time na yun nga kausap ko yung classmate ko, pati yung husband niya. And then they're only trading mining. Kaya nagtataka ako. Kasi mining sector, marami yan, di ba? Pakita ko sa inyo kanina about the MO, mining and oil. So marami, 9 yan. So I think they're doing that, no? Kasi pagka marunong ka, yung tinatawag nating scalping, yung tinatawag nating day trading, talagang kikita ka dyan kasi by cents lang siya. No? At kung malaki ang puhunan mo, talagang you will earn a lot from that trading. Kung maano pa yung market, o volatile pa yung market, ibig sabihin, the price goes up and goes down. So, ganun yung nagte-trade. No? Anyway, so, yan. Kaya ngayon, April 10 and the guest, no, her guest, ano mo yung name, explaining what will happen in our mining sector. And they told 2 years, no, hindi naman ganong kabilisan, in a medium term lang. No, hindi naman short term, it's a medium term, no, and it will boost, no, the price of mining. Anyway,
Do you expect some companies to say tap the capital markets to raise capital so that they can actually push through with their projects?
We're actually helping one such company out. This is Apollo Global with the JVBC mining. So, but that one is iron ore, and that one is offshore mining. So that's not
wasn't affected.
No, not quite as affected. Yeah,
that's it. I mean, given the improving outlook of the mining sector right now,
yes.
Are you advising, or do you expect investors to, start accumulating at this stage, or do you think it would be wise for them to actually start accumulating now during the early days?
There are some that are trading at really low PEs. FNI, for example, is single digit Apex, single digit PEs with they still have a lot of tenements that they sort of postponed exploring, but with the easing up of the new exploration rules, So that opens up new avenues for them as far as improving the reserve count. Philex and Nickel Asia are trading at fairly high multiples already, but Nickel Asia being the biggest is always a favorite, but upside may be not as big as FNI, for example.
In evaluating mining companies, like what should investors look for, especially right now with the lifting of the moratorium?
Yes. Well, reserves will always count. What they have there in the reserves, what they have as far as prospects or tenement prospects that may have been, postponed as far as new exploration is concerned. So that's one. The trends of metal prices. That's very difficult to say, but there are some that are fairly stable. Copper is one metal that we also like. Nickel, because of all the stories that nickel gets used for electric vehicles, battery storage for
Yes,
electric vehicles. So
yes,
that's
yes.
pushing demand for that. Other than usual construction requirements for nickel.
What about the existing ban on open pit mining? Will that have an impact on the prospects of certain types of mining companies?
Alright, yon sinasabi nila about yung mga mining companies na nag-close, 'di ba? So depende dun sa kanilang natitira siguro ang asset, no? Ayun yung magiging usapan diyan kasi siyempre doon sila mag-start ulit once na nag-open ulit yung kanilang exploration, 'di ba? But the thing is, no, yung mga dating mga companies, no, na talagang doon sila naka-focus, like for example yung FNI nga, yung nickel, no, and some of the copper, no, na na minamine. Actually ayun yung ano ngayon, yung kailangan lalo-lalo na sa industry ng vehicle, no, EV, no, electronic vehicle, kasi yung ginagamit for batteries, 'di ba? So talagang actually ang kagandahan niya na stop yan, na ban dito sa Philippines yan, hindi dahil dumadami yan o yung nanganganak siya. But the thing is, yung for sabihin natin yung 5 years na ban siya, is na-stop for 5 years yung pag-mine, no, ng mga minerals na yan o yung mga tinatawag nating mining, no, na company. So we have another plenty of time, no, yung 5 years na ina-stop siya, another sabihin natin dadagdagan ng 5 years. So na parang napahinga siya. Okay, hindi lahat na mine niya kasi nga because of the ban. And the thing is, kailangan niya yon yung mga minamine, like for example nga ng nickel and copper and 'di ba? Hindi na katulad before na oil lang kailangan, no? Some of them are exploration about oil. Kaya nga nababawasan na ngayon yung mga exploration ng oil kasi nga more on renewable tayo ngayon. And aside from that, yung mga ginagamit na sa technology, 'di ba? Ang ginagamit diyan is siyempre we need that gold, silver, copper, and also nickel for producing a lot of products na ay ang kanilang mga materials. Okay? So let's move on. Gagawin lang natin yung patapusin na natin. It's the last 3 minutes.
Copper would be that, and we really need to see what kind of restrictions or what kind of easing up the new EO provides for. But copper is really the one that gets affected by, shall we say, open pit mining. Nickel has been argued as more surface type mining because the ore is pretty much, you just earth move the ore above, which you don't need to dig deep for nickel.
What about the taxes being imposed by the government? Have you heard companies complaining about it?
Well, they've always complained, but because of the way commodity prices have moved, it's one of those things that they can afford to take. From 2% to 4%, it's 100% increase, but in the bigger picture of things, It's a small
Yeah,
notch.
they can still accept it.
Yeah.
They can still be
It's still-
profitable.
yes, yes.
What other upside or downside risks are mining companies in the Philippines facing moving forward?
Downside, maybe let me start off with that one.
Yeah.
Limitations of workforce.
Mm.
Mining is a very labor-intensive industry, and you need to deploy workers out there in the field or the mines, if you'd like. And restrictions given quarantine and maybe COVID outbreaks at mines and all that limit worker or worker movements to be effective. Transport logistical challenges more for the nickel mines. The entry and exit of the ore carriers, for example, in and out of the Philippines. So that's something we take a look at also. Now, upside again, I mentioned earlier for nickel, being a base metal that gets used for electric vehicles, which show pretty strong demand in the future, is up there. Gold is, given the uncertain times, is always a hedge.
Thank you so much for your time, Manny. And
No problem. Yeah.
yeah, stay safe.
All right. So, yan, yung last na upside and downside na pinag-usapan nila. Siguro naintindihan naman natin yon. Yung downside niya because of COVID and pandemic, no? Kaya na-stop din siya. And kung magkakaroon ulit ng operation niya, syempre may mga limitations, no? So, hindi ganun ka 100%, no, yung operations niya. And also dun sa upside naman niya, no, since ito yung like for example the nickel, no, na talagang magiging materials o nagamit for EV and other products, no, it will be a big thing no, for the future. So yun nga, sabi ko kanina, good thing napahinga tayo, no, yung yung 5 years na yon talagang napakalaki din ng agwat ng time para at least masundan ulit ngayon yung pag-mining o mag-explore, and a lot of company will be benefited here, especially yung ating Philippine economy. Alright? So, done na po tayo. Tapos na po tayo sa ating update for today. And last but not the least, syempre yung ating options na lagi nating ini-explain, no, para baka sabihin hindi niyo nadinig 'yon, no? And every time na update tayo, is the last portion that I've been doing, no? How to start stock market investment, no? In 3 options. Number 1, learn to trade, and learn to trade. Okay? Bakit 3 beses sinabi? Kasi it will take you 1 to 3 years to learn stock market trading. No? The fundamental and technical analysis that will help you to find a good company, and especially yung strategies na kailangan matutunan nyo. Even though na may mga nagtuturo sa inyo, you're gonna have your own strategies. Especially also yung platform na kailangan na ma-familiarize nyo. Kasi sa araw-araw na gagawin nyo, syempre, mapapamiliarize nyo na rin yan. Okay? And if you listen the beginning of trading, kung bago lang kayo, that's your tuition fee in learning. Wala naman na magaling talaga agad, no? Kahit even yung mga matatagal na, even kami na nagte-trade is naglulos pa rin kami. We're just doing the averaging para at least makita namin kung what happened in our performance in monthly or yearly basis. Diba? So you need to get a mentor or coach to guide you to shorten your learning curve. Kung kayo lang mag-iisa, medyo magastos yun. No? Kasi syempre kung natalo ka during that time and then hindi mo alam kung paano ka babawi, actually that's your, sabi ko kanina, na tuition fee mo yan, no? When you lose something in trading. And pagka may mentor ka na mga coach, maka-guide ka, di ba? You will learn, no? And the learning curve mas liliit, mas shorten, and then the cost of learning, as your tuition fee will be minimal. No? Syempre magbabayad ka dun sa mentor mo or coach mo, because the value that will give you, it's a lifetime value. Okay? Lifetime learning yung tawag na matutunan mo. Okay. So, we've been doing that actually in our company, the RCRV. Now, we have a program for those who want to learn more about stock market. And this a direct tawag ito, yung talagang ayan, makita nyo naman, no? Dito pa lang sa video na to, which is free, we're doing direct to the point. Yan, direct to the point teaching or mentoring, and it will only take you a few time, no? But the thing is, it's after the 10 days, no? For those who want to learn more, ano yan, dire-diretso na yan. Lifetime na yan, kumbaga. As long as you want to learn more about stock market. Okay. Now, kung ayaw mo talaga, pagod ka na, sabihin mo yung matanda na ako or sabihin mo hindi ko kaya nung umupo dyan maghapon. Actually, meet na nga yun, hindi totoo yun. No, you don't have to do that kasi nga, mamaya-maya lang, 1 o'clock lang, done na yung ating market. Diba? Bakit kailangan mo tumutok sa computer? No? Unless pinag-aaralan mo pa lang siya, no? Give you another 2 hours to learn more, diba? Pero hindi maghapon ka mag-uupo, hindi totoo 'yun. No, kasi hindi mo na mababago yung price, close na nga yung market, diba? So it's a myth, no? Hindi mo naman kailangan malaking pera din, no? If you're going to start with trading, no? But then sabi ko, kung hindi mo naman kayang gawin yon, just look for mutual fund, no, na mag-handle na yung pera because they are a fund manager that will handle your funds. So, the thing is, yung minimal lang, kung magkano lang yung binibigyan nila ng mutual fund, for example, 8%, 10%, until 12% normally, yung pinakamataas na binibigay na percentage rate nila for potential income, ay lang makuha mo. Okay? But the thing, isa pa, pag bumaba yung price niyan, yung value niyan, ayun lang, unlimited siya. You can lose 30%, 40%, depende yan, no, sa timing ng iyong pag-i-invest. Kasi I have a friend niya, no, na-timingan niya naman tayo yung presyo ng market, and then she put all the money on the mutual fund. 10 years nilang naipon as of W, and then yung 1 million nila after 3 years bumagsak ng 40%, which is from 1 million naging 600,000 na lang yung value. Imagine mo yon. Siyempre ikaw as a investor, parang ano ba to, nalugi ako, imbis nakikita ko nalugi pa ako, 'di ba? Kaya yung iba nga talagang tinatanggal agad nila no, kasi thinking baka mag-zero Hindi naman mag-zero yan actually, kasi nga alam na ng mga mga mutual fund yan o mga fund manager yan, even the company, that it will not going to give you a zero fund or value. But then may time na talagang babagsak yan, and then pagka na inabot ka ng emotional, diba? Yung iba talaga wini-withdraw. Like for example, my friend, no? After 3 years na 2 years ago, actually nag-usap kayo, nakita kami kasi 5 years yung contract niya. And then after 3 years nga bumaba yung price niya, from 1 million naging 600,000. Kaya kinausap niya ako, nakita kami, sabi niya, kasi nakita niya ako nagte-trading, mingi ng advice kung kukunin niya na ba yung pera niya kasi baka ma-loss daw, baka mag-zero. No, sabi ko, if for emergency, syempre you have to get your money. Wala nang problema yun kasi talagang kung loss ka dyan, wala kang magagawa. Pero if you're just emotionally, dahil bumagsak yung price, mo na lang. Tapusin mo na lang yung contract. Okay? Malay mo, umakyat pa yan. Saka talagang hindi naman magsisiro yan. So, yun, hinayaan niya lang, since hindi niya naman daw kailangan yung pera pa sa emergency, na lang daw siya dahil bumaba. Okay? So, after, ngayon, no, last January, actually, nung chinek ko siya or nag-usap kami ulit, actually umakit na yan. No? Nag 90% na yung kanyang value. So, meaning 100,000 ang value niya, ang pera niya. And then, around 10% o 100,000 na lang yung loss niya. Di ba? Mas maganda yun kaysa naman 40%. Ang laki nun. Hindi mo kayang dibdibin yun, no? So, sabi ko sa kanya, at least, di ba, umakyat. And then, August na yung this year ang kanyang maturity. So, tinatanong niya sa akin, kaya nag-usap ulit kami kung akyat daw. Sabi ko, I don't know. No one knows sa market. No? Pwede umakyat, pwede bumaba. And then, nung 1 month ago, ulit, nung March, usap kami, sabi niya, bumaba na naman, nag 80%. Kasi siyempre sumusunod sa market yan eh, no? So sabi ko, mo na eh, August na naman, no? I think it will go up pa, no? And if it go up, no, that's good, no? Kung price niya umakyat o yung value niya, mag-break even, no, that's good kasi ilang months na lang naman din. At kung umakyat siya, that's good. Pero pag bumaba siya, wala ka na magagawa. That's the real value of your money na. Diba? Sabihin natin 80% na lang na makukuha niya doon, ayun na lang talaga ang pera niya. Diba? So, sabi ko, ganun talaga. It will have a risk. Sabi nga, no, there's a fund, it's a low risk. Pero during that time, high risk na yun. Diba? You lost almost 20%, malaki yun. It's a low risk investment, so you will definitely get low return. Kung na-tsempohan mo siya ng baba. Ngayon, magandang tsempohan. Bakit mababa yung price eh? Diba? If you invest right now, and then umakyat siya during that time na naka-recover yung market natin, o di sabihin, umakyat yung presyo mo. Makukuha mo yung 12% per annum, no, na returns. Definitely. Or, in number 3 naman, just invest in a retail stock market trader na makilala mo. No? Look for a trusted retail trader that you know and who knows what she's doing. If is she really trading. Okay, or you know how to invest. Kasi sometimes most of the traders using YouTube, FB, or promoting their subscription or ebooks or seminars. That's good. Walang problema doon. Kaya lang, you have to make sure that they're really trading. If you are going to invest, ha. Kasi ang mga retail trader, marami po ngayon yan. Kasi open na no? Nakita natin na we can participate in stock market. Like for example, right now, you can participate right now, di ba? Okay, so like me, small retailer ang tawag sa amin. No? We're just a fish in the ocean. Parang ano yan, marami na yan. And some of them naman, shark. Yung mga mutual fund. Actually, they just call the shark kasi nga, malakas kumita yan eh, no? They have the fund to diba? To earn from the price of the stock market. Okay, but they are also a whale, yan. Yung mga institution yan, mga banks, no, na minsan nagko-command ng price. Okay, so they can do it because of the investment that they have in this kind of trading. All right. So, okay, in this time, lots of things happened and people who started traditional business. Last year, di ba? Mga nagnegosyo last year, open in March and close in the same month due to lockdown and pandemic. No one knows kasi what happened last year, di ba? So, every month, every day nga actually may nag-open ng business. Pero kahit na wala nang pandemic, statistically, once they open your business, no, hindi ibig sabihin yan talagang magtutuloy-tuloy yung business mo kasi 1 out of 10, no? Statistic to ayun yun, yung isa sa 10 normally, ayun lang yung nagsusurvive sa business after a year. Okay? So, in 100 na nag-open ng business, 10 lang doon ang potential na makapag tuloy-tuloy within the year. Okay? 3 years after, doon lang na may natitirang 3. Imagine mo, out of 100, 3. And it's a statistic, hindi galing sa akin yan. Kasi some of the businesses talaga, ay yung tinatawag na birth pain No? Yung 1 year to 3 years, normally that's the birth pain. Actually, ang dami ko na ako na negosyo, hindi ako umabot ng 3 years No? Hindi ako umabot ng 3 years sa mga traditional business na pinasok ko. 1 year, 2 years, then done. Totoo yun. Kaya alam ko dahil it happened to me. Okay. The only business na talagang tumagal sa akin is the network marketing business kasi wala akong wala akong nirentahan, wala akong binabayaran na bills. Minimal yung mga ginagamit lang namin. Tapos wala akong binabayaran na tax. And malaki yung potential income. Kaya yung iba na ayaw mag-network marketing at di nila nasubukan, sorry na lang. Hindi nyo kasi alam. Alright. For me, it's our bread and butter during that time na nagpapalaki ng family. Kaya hindi ko na naumpisahan the trading itself, stock market trading, which is, ayun ang gusto ko siyang gawin 27 years ago. Hindi ko siya naumpisahan because, may business ako na ginagawa. And I'm focused on that business. Okay? So, yun lang. You have to learn more about this business No? Now we don't know what will happen kasi no, once you open the business today, baka kailan siya magko-close agad, lalo pag traditional siya. Lalo na po yung mga hindi kailangan, di ba? Okay. For me, if you want to open a business, it should be something that we can control. Meron bang ganon? Business na control mo? Yes. Stock markets, trading, and investment. And this is something that we can control. Why? You can buy and sell. Okay? Liquid. Bumili ka, benta mo, done. Tapos na yung business mo. Tapos na yung transaction mo. Okay, bumili ka, hinold mo for a certain period of time, and then benta mo, di ba? You can control your business. Malulugi ka. Okay, binenta mo bago ka malugi ng gusto. 'Di ba? Yung cut loss ang tinatawag natin. Di you can control. Unlike na pag ikaw nalugi ka, nag-open ka ng Mart, nag-close ka ng Mart, na-control mo ba? No. 100% everything lost. Okay? So, stock market trading investment something that we can control if you know what you're doing. Yan, sabi ko kanina, learn. Okay, learn to invest wisely. Okay, disclaimer lang po, the information that in this video is for my personal and educational purposes only. I don't recommend buy, sell, or hold stocks. It's your decision to trade or invest in stock market because it's a high risk that you may lose your capital or investment. Okay? So, dapat alam po natin yan, ha? Okay, so i-promote ko lang din po itong mga aking iba-ibang page. Yung mga hindi pa nagla-like, alam mo sa manonood ng replay, no? Just like my dito, itong trading and risk management page ko. Okay, para at least mag-engage naman siya sa mga tao na hindi pa nakakakita ng nito. Kasi ayun nga ang purpose ko, no? To share more sa mga tao na hindi nakakaalam ng pagte-trade. And another page is RCRB Trading. Ito naman is more on international trading. I'm using eToro platform and interactive broker. So, I suggest wag muna kayong umakyat diyan, no? Kasi parang minsan mga hindi lang mga Pilipino, lahat naman siguro nature na ng tao. Gusto agad sa higher level na, no? Andito ka sa Pilipinas, pero gusto mo international agad. No? Kung nandito ka sa Amerika, mag-international ka syempre. Pero kung Pilipino ka, dito ka sa Pilipinas or even sa other country, you start with invest in our economy. Kasi benchmark po yung stock market ng economy natin once na invest here, di ba? Saka Philippine setting, matutunan mo, madadalian kang matutunan siya. Mga company rito is from the Philippines, di ba? Alam natin. Okay, so wag muna tayong mag-jump, no? From local to international agad. Hindi pa na umpisahan yung local eh. Okay, and another page is CCL Cryptocurrencies Learning. Ito, it's a way of the future na po ito, kaya medyo advanced na po ito, no, na investment. Pero ang kagandahan nito, you don't have to learn more, kung gusto mo lang mag-invest, no, kung ayaw mo mong mag-trade o sa mga stock market, dito, you put your money, no, and then hayaan mo lang siya, and then makikita mo yung growth niya. Okay, kasi dito sa cryptocurrency, it will talagang boom, no? 2015, doon ko na siya nalaman, no? That's not too late. 2015, Bitcoin was selling how much pa lang during that time. And then 2017, biglang umakit yung price niya from mga 400 to $20,000. Okay? After nung bumagsak siya, 2019-20, di ba? And then biglang boom. Di ba? $50,000 to $60,000 per Bitcoin. So, kung matutunan nyo rin yan, you don't have to trade. Just stake ang tawag doon, no? Parang nag-park ka lang ng pera mo or tinatawag nating time deposit, no? And then with the right coin na binili mo or cryptocurrency, it will grow or it will yung value niya aakyat. Or kung gusto mo naman, pwede ka mag-accumulation lang. Every time bumabagsak yung presyo, bili ka lang ng bili. Naka-accumulate ka lang ng yung coins, di ba? Alright, so aside from that, meron din aside from that lagi, no? Meron tayong account on Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, YouTube, and ano pa isa? Ayun lang. So, i-follow na rin po ako para at least makita po natin, no, yung ibang mga video nandoon. Actually, this broadcast right now is simultaneous with my Twitter and YouTube account. Alright, so tapos na po tayo. Thank you very much. Carla, nandiyan ka pa ba? Thank you for watching. It's my partner, Carla, no? And I know, si Carla kasi, very business-minded din, no? Swerte nga kasi bata pa eh. Carla is only around 30 pa lang, no? Na, okay. Ang laki ng difference natin. Ako, 20, 15 na ako. O ngayon, ikaw 30. This 20. You have plenty of time to learn more about this, Carla. Kaya that's good. No, yung iba ayaw pag-aralan eh. Wala tayong magagawa. Anyway, done na po tayo. Thank you very much sa lahat ng mga nanonood. And keep on learning for you to become bigger, wiser, and faster you. So this is Ronnie Cayosa and see you on my next video. Bye-bye.